Hello everybody and welcome to a very quick Sirtoys unboxing. I'm now back from my vacation in Canada land. I have a box here from Sirtoys that I am very keen to open. So let's crack right out. And it's not a huge box, you know, but it's not smallest of boxes by any means. So unfortunately, no dual camera angle today. We are limited for space. We've still got the stuff we brought back from TF Nation, kind of covering most of the area. Right, let's see what we've got. We've got foam, bubble wrap, minicon. Ooh, right. One of the things I ordered that Sirtoys got in is the KO of the old Leo Convoy Beast Wars figure, done in the kind of red and gold. There's a little rattle going around in there. Hopefully that's nothing broken off in there. Might have just been something come loose. Have a look. It looks like it's just a piece that's come loose. That's cool. But, I mean, he looks rawsome. Yeah, it was bad, wasn't it? But I got a funky little KO of a Power Ranger. Is that Wild Force? Let's have a look. I don't know, that's not Wild Force, is it? Is that meant to be Wild Force? Or is that RPM? Or Mist? No, I don't know. But anyway, it's a funky little KO dude with articulated elbows that go both ways. That looks painful. And the other way, and he's got legs that come up and down, and he comes with some luminescent swords. Oh, we get Leo in another colour as well. Look at this. This is almost like Ultra Magnus colours. Look at that. That's gorgeous. I mean, these aren't really as good as the old Beast Wars KOs. These are pretty good. They still feel like that kind of nice plastic. They're not kind of Poundland shampoo bottle plastic, but at the same time, they're not on par with the original Beast Wars figures, but they definitely look the part on display. I mean, paint apps and decals, they all look pretty decent. And I get another Ranger with him. Are these sold together maybe in the stores? Again, it looks like Wild Force. Oh. Now, this came up and my intention is to review it and then send it to Emily, off of Emily and Dave. It is, who makes it? Is it licensed by Audley or something like that? It's basically a giant shark forming robot. It looks very much like the sort of things you get from Carbox or Robo Valor. Maybe Towbots, that sort of thing. But yeah, this is a giant shark car. And it transforms into a very awesome robot. Very much looking forward to reviewing that. And on the same page, there is a complete set that form a combiner. They go into a truck, various vehicles attach, and then it all forms. Again, that's the same, you can't really see from there, can you? It's the same sort of principles, but these are really well made. If you have anything like the Giant Savers, anything like that, you'll know how well these are made. They're easily on par with the likes of the Bandai Power Rangers and the Hasbro ones. They've done many. We've got a lovely little baggie of Lego. It looks like it's got Fantasy Westworld Journey. It looks like some piratey bits in there. It's funny you should say that, actually. We went to my mum's the other day and rummaged through my old box of Lego, and I got like the Pirate Island and that in there, and it really brought back memories. And this little guy as well, last but by no means least, it is Steam Age. This is him in his, was it Steve Train there, done by Mechanic. This is basically Mech Fan Toys, isn't it? And yeah, 27 steps, basically turning him into a Hearts of Steel Thomas the Tank Engine, which is absolutely fabulous. That's it. Very small box this time round. Lots of other things I'd like to be ordering very shortly from Sirtoys, but for now this should keep me plodding along. You'll be getting a lot more content from me over the next few weeks. Thank you all for being very patient, and until next time, for myself and the rest of the Collectables household, thank you all very much for watching. Goodbye.